All right, for your at-home distance learning lesson this week, we will talk about this in class when I see you, but you are going to be tracking what you do this week hour by hour. We will be using this later in the year, but this trimester, Com 9 and Honors 9, so all ninth graders, we're going to be doing some curriculum that's focused on some more soft skills, they're called. So goal setting, different study techniques, tracking your time to make sure you're using your time correctly, how to communicate with peers and adults. So just some other type skills that we normally teach all year, but because of the crazy year, we've kind of had to put into one trimester. So this week, you at home are going to be tracking what you do each day, Monday through Friday, so your typical school week. So this should be pretty simple. So what I would do is at the end of the day, I would just fill this out on what I did that day. Or maybe on Tuesday morning, when you wake up, you can fill out what you did Monday, or maybe at the end of the week, just go back and reflect on what you did. Doesn't really matter when you do it, but please try to be as accurate as possible. So you will be using this table here to track what you did each day, hour by hour. Again, we're using this later to really see how you guys are using your time because we know that's something that people struggled with last trimester, using time appropriately, finding motivation, etc. This is due, so it's right here, this is due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You really shouldn't turn this in early. You can't turn this in Tuesday because you don't know what you did yet, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So fill this out, maybe turn this in late Friday night or Saturday or Sunday. So what you're going to do is for each day, at each hour, and just be as accurate as you can. There's no way for this to be perfect. Fill in each hour what you did. If you want to type in, like from 6 to 7, if you were sleeping, you can type in the word sleeping. 7, you could say get ready for school. And then maybe 8, you're in school. You could say the specific classes if you wanted to. But be as accurate as you can what you are doing. If you want to type in full words like civics, you were in civics during this time, you can. But also, if you read these instructions, you can use codes. So if you don't want to write out full words, feel free to use codes. So you can use SL for sleeping, HW for homework, S for at school, P for on your phone, etc. So again, write down what you were doing at each time. Feel free to use the codes. If you want to make a new code for an activity or a thing that I don't have listed, that's totally fine. Just at the bottom of the chart here, under it, maybe on the second page, just tell me what it is. So if you put the letter, like, I don't know, if you put, what's an example of something? If you put maybe B in your chart a lot, and that stands for babysitting. Or if you put a W, and that's because you went to work. Just tell me what your abbreviations mean. And again, if you don't want to use abbreviations, that's fine too. So please track your week. Let's see how you use your time this week. And again, this is due at Sunday at 11:59 p.m. and we will talk about this in class when I see you.